श्री सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय. Greetings to all. I am Glory Patle.
I am Pratik Mishra.
Students of Shivom Vidyapeth, Changora Bhata feel privileged to present the annual report of session 2022-23.
In session 2022-23 started on 9 June with a great zeal. After reopening the school, we have first event International Yoga Day.
Now we have Dipti Devangan who is going to tell us about event.
Our school organized the International Day of Yoga on 21st June 2022, which is celebrated by all over the world. International Yoga Day was celebrated by teachers and students of Shivom Vidyapeth School, Changora campus with great excitement. Students of class 4th to 8th demonstrated various asanas, warm-up exercises were done. Students performed various asanas, standing and sitting asanas. Benefits of yoga asanas were explained.
Thank you, Dipti.
After Yoga Day, we have celebrated Guru Purnima. Here, Dhana Devangan to tell us about some details. Guru Purnima.
Guru Purnima is a religious festival dedicated to offering respect to all spiritual and academic gurus. We dedicate the day of Guru Purnima to our gurus by celebrating it in our Changora campus. As along our pre-primary children do some activities related to Guru Purnima.
Thank you, Dhana.
Kanishka Devangan is here to enlighten with the details of Independence Day. We know that this day is celebrated on 15 August. On this day, our country gained independence from the British rule. This day reminds us all the sacrifices of our freedom fighters. On this day, all the students come to school in proper uniform with great excitement. We all celebrated this day with great joy. All the teachers and students come and gathered in school premises. Our MD sir hoisted the national flag. Kids of primary to middle organized rally, and the kids of primary and pre-primary came in fancy dress like Netaji, Rani Lakshmibai, Bhagat Singh and many more. And the students of primary and middle performed on various dance, dramas, songs and etc. and paid tribute to all the freedom fighters. Thank you, Kanishka.
Here, Srishti Devangan to tell us about brief information Navratri.
Navratri is the most popular and important festival of India. It signifies the victory of God over evil and honor of Goddess Durga. In our school, we participate in the celebration with great exciting. In our student perform various acts to show 9 forms of Mata Durga. Our school organized the Kanya Pujan for primary girls. Enjoy it very much.
Thank you, Srishti.
Now we have Tripti Bisen who is telling about Teachers' Day celebration.
Happy Teachers' Day. Words can never pay the knowledge you have given us. Words can never tell how much we are blessed to have you as a teachers. We are celebrating Teachers' Day with great love and respect at our Changora campus on 5th September 2022. Here are some memories of that day.
Thank you, Tripti.
Now, we have Khyati Yadav to tell us about Republic Day.
As we all know about to Republic Day, last year we celebrated Republic Day in our Changora campus. Our pre-primary to class 8 students, our respected Bade sir, MD sir and our principal ma'am.
Thank you, Khyati.
Ojasvi Bisen is here to tell us about Rainy Day.
Mainly Rainy Day celebration was organized for our pre-primary group, in which after some time we joined them and enjoyed a lot. With our all teachers and friends, we all danced in the song of Rain, and swimming pool was made for the small children, in which they enjoyed a lot.
Thank you, Ojasvi.
Now we have Kumud Devangan to tell us about Hareli celebration.
Hareli is the most important festival in our state. Chhattisgarh occurs on the new moon day of the month of Shravan Amavasya. We celebrate Hareli in our school. By this festival, we connect with nature. Students come to school in various get-up. Some were like farmer, some were in Chhattisgarh get-up. Some students stood on Gedi.
Thank you, Kumud.
Now we have Anurag Singh is here to tell us about Janmashtami celebration.
Janmashtami is celebrated as in birthday of Lord Krishna. On that day, children came dressed in ethnic wear as Radha and Krishna. Dahi Handi was also organized in our school.
Thank you, Anurag.
Here, Niharika is tell us about Children's Day celebration.
Children's Day is celebrated across India on 14 November every year. It is the birthday of first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. We celebrated this in our school by playing some game with our students and teachers.
Thank you, Niharika.
Here we have Dimple to tell us about Sports Day.
Annual sports, parent sports and pre-primary sports. Last year we organized 3-game program, namely student annual sports, parent sports and pre-primary sports, in which everyone performed with excitement. And the best thing about our campus is that along with our parents also participated and enjoyed it. We don't miss our pre-primary kids performance. They all also performed very well.
Thank you, Dimple.
Naira is tell us about Anand Mela.
Anand Mela. We cannot forget this day because it was the day in which our students from class 4 to 8 gave a very good performance, and our teachers are very helped for this day. We all enjoy it.
Thank you, Naira.
Ria is here, who is going to tell us about annual function.
Last year, the year of 2022, also we celebrated our annual function with pure enthusiasm, and we wish to share some memories of last annual function.
Thank you, Ria.
Here, Swechha Singh is here to tell us about Basant Panchami celebration.
Last year during Basant Panchami Puja, we all together with our teachers worshipped Goddess Saraswati Mata and received the blessing of Mata Saraswati for our bright future.
Thank you, Swechha.
Now here we have Pankti Hirvane to tell us about Badminton Premier League.
Last year at our Changoda campus, we organized the Badminton Premier League, the event in which all the teachers and students participated and gave good performance.
Thank you, Pankti. Now we have Monisha Batle to tell us about Raksha Bandhan.
Celebrating Raksha Bandhan at school can be a wonderful way to promote cultural understanding and brotherhood relationship among students. Raksha Bandhan is a special occasion to celebrate the loving bond between brother and sister.
Thank you, Monisha.
In a nutshell, session 2022-23 is a successful session.
We would like to thank the management, principal, teaching and non-teaching staff for all support they have provided us for our betterment.
With this, we would like to conclude Annual Report 2022-23.
Thank you.